Bitcoin price prediction 2024 to 2030. Will BTC price cross the $150,000 milestone post-halving? With institutional investors finally picking up on the Bitcoin ETF craze, the BTC price is skyrocketing to pre-winter levels. Further, with the $2 billion trading volume of the 9 Bitcoin ETFs and over $240 million withdrawn from Bitfinex, Bitcoin is sneaking up to $60,000. As the US market sentiments towards the Bitcoin turn more bullish, the Bitcoin holders are expecting this uptrend to continue beyond $69,000. Will this bull run lead to a new all-time for Bitcoin? With the BTC price hitting a new peak in the pre-halving rally, the biggest crypto records its higher monthly return since October 2021. As 2024 shapes up to be the breakout year for Bitcoin, expectations are set for $150,000 this season. Further, at the US market front, the potential rate cuts, the anticipation surrounding the fourth Bitcoin halving, and the US government shutdown are setting the stage for a Bitcoin rally like no other. With the markets filled with high hopes, questions are arising like, is Bitcoin ready to reach the $150,000 mark? Or, will Bitcoin ever go up? Or, where will Bitcoin be in 5 years? We bring our comprehensive Bitcoin price prediction 2024-2030 to solve such doubts. Bitcoin has recorded its third consecutive day of gains, pushing its price over the $59,000 threshold and nearing the significant $60,000 level. The surge in Bitcoin's value coincides with the total trading volume of Bitcoin ETFs hitting the $2 billion milestone, highlighting the cryptocurrency's increasing market strength. The market capitalization of Bitcoin has also surpassed $1.1 trillion, indicating a robust uptrend. As Bitcoin approaches the $60,000 mark, trend-based Fibonacci analysis suggests a potential rise to $68,157. The cryptocurrency's 3.59% intraday growth, reaching the $59,000 level alongside a rebound in trading volume, points to a bullish outlook. Additionally, CoinGlass reports that in the last 24 hours, $244.12 million was liquidated, with $139 million from short orders, impacting around 81,536 traders. The MACD indicator further supports this bullish sentiment with a positive divergence between the MACD and signal lines, signaling increasing bullish momentum. This sets the stage for a question: could Bitcoin reach $100,000? The ongoing recovery momentum, bolstered by bullish market indicators and Fibonacci projections, suggests a peak near $96,000 is possible. If Bitcoin breaks above $60,000 with a strong bullish close, it could escalate to $68,157, paving the way for reaching higher milestones. Bitcoin price prediction 2024. The high spirits around the Bitcoin spot ETF approvals kick in for the BTC price to spark a bull run. The uptrend continues the streak of 5 monthly bullseye candles and is ready to challenge the overhead resistance at $50,000. Moreover, the halving year has always been a bullish year in Bitcoin history, leading to a bull run in the next year. Adding bullishness at lower levels, Tether buys 8,888 Bitcoin to their holdings for $380 million. Further, the rising hopes for the interest rate cuts in the US market will bolster the uptrend momentum in BTC price. Therefore, 2024 is highly anticipated to be a bullish year for Bitcoin, with a potential high of around $120,000 and a potential low of $35,000. Bitcoin price prediction 2025. With the launch of potentially more Bitcoin-related financial services and the global adoption spark of Bitcoin, BTC prices will maintain a bullish trend in 2025. The cryptocurrency is expected to create a high of $140,449 with a low of $61,357. Therefore, the average Bitcoin price prediction for 2025 will potentially be $95,903. Bitcoin price prediction 2026. Firstly, as per Bitcoin price prediction 2026, the BTC price range in 2026 is expected to be between $82,522 to $155,284. Moreover, the average price is projected to be $115,569. BTC price prediction 2027. Subsequently, as per BTC price prediction for 2027, the Bitcoin price range can be between $152,837 to $169,047. Furthermore, the average price is expected to be $160,942, indicating a relatively stable bullish period for Bitcoin. Bitcoin price prediction 2028. With the fifth halving, the Bitcoin price will see another bullish spark in 2028. Specifically, as per Bitcoin price prediction 2028, the potential BTC price range in 2028 is $174,063 to $192,908. Additionally, the average price is expected to be $183,485, demonstrating continued positive momentum. Bitcoin price prediction 2029. Thereafter, as per BTC price prediction 2029, the BTC price will range between $204,634 to $239,559. Significantly, the average price is projected to be $222,096, indicating a significant rise in Bitcoin's value. Bitcoin price prediction 2030. Finally, coming to 2030, Bitcoin price prediction maintains a positive trend. Indeed, the BTC price is expected to create its new all-time high, with a price range between $277,751 to $347,783. In conclusion, the average price is expected to be $312,767. Bitcoin halving price prediction. Firstly, the Bitcoin halving just took place, an event that happens roughly every 4 years. Essentially, Bitcoin miners' reward for validating transactions gets cut in half. Consequently, this curtails the number of new Bitcoins in circulation, usually sparking a price rally. According to data, the price surges after previous halvings. Therefore, let's watch this space. Firstly, at CryptoCast YouTube channel, we're feeling optimistic about Bitcoin's price going up. Significantly, one big reason is the upcoming Bitcoin halving event. In simple terms, every 4 years, the number of new Bitcoins entering the market gets cut in half. Consequently, this usually increases the price because there's less supply. Further, big shots like Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi staying positive on crypto and signals the company is ready to accept Bitcoin as a payment option in the future. ChatGPT predicts Bitcoin post-halving price to cross $1 million. Furthermore, using the above Bitcoin halving table, we asked ChatGPT to calculate the potential jump in Bitcoin after the 2024 halving. Utilizing arithmetic and geometric progression, respectively, ChatGPT calculates the Bitcoin price prediction for 2024 post-halving to be a 290% and 4,160% jump. Rounding off the current Bitcoin price to $26,000, firstly, the calculations display the post-halving Bitcoin to skyrocket drastically. Specifically, reaching $101,400 by AP and $1,107,808 by GP, Bitcoin is set to create a new high in 2024. Many influencers and Bitcoin maximalists are predicting the BTC price to reach $1 million, but the chances of them using GP. Bitcoin historic price sentiments 2008 to 2024. Analyzing the historic price sentiment of BTC is suitable for rightly interpreting the indications we come across while analyzing its future price sentiment. In a nutshell, the optimism and hope around Bitcoin have continued to grow ever since its launch. And now, with the institutions coming together with the fourth Bitcoin halving marks a crucial turning point. The upcoming years for BTC are marked in green as Bitcoin adoption grows like wildfire in a fiat world. Important note: the prices mentioned in this video may differ at the time of playback and viewing, due to the continuous volatility and fluctuation of crypto market prices.